beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about a subject that I usually don't speak a lot about here on my channel, and that's only because when you tune in to watch me, it's always about skincare, makeup, and very rarely here and there I'll be talking about some hair care products that has worked wonders for me. Now, I've always wanted to do an updated version of my favorite hair care products, my current hair care routine that just works. Something just works for me, you guys, and you have noticed it. My hair has been quite a journey, from scanty, damaged hair to healthy hair to very healthy hair while I was carrying Nirvana, to again back to losing a lot of hair post-pregnancy, which is something that happens, to hair right now that is in the best of health. Now, I need products at the moment as a new mom that is something that will give me the nourishment, hydration, that will strengthen the hair bonds very quickly without any downtime. I just need something that for my busy routine that works. And there are two products right now that I want to introduce you to. It comes from Minimalist. When it comes to their skincare, I absolutely love it. When it comes to body care, this brand is killing it, you guys. I mean, they have some amazing stuff. Now, I have been trying out the Minimalist Maleic Bond Repair Complex, and I also have this in my routine, and this is the Hair Growth Active. I've been using this for months. I've spoken about this so many times on Instagram, and I find it better than many of the international alternatives out here. It's a great Indian alternative to many international products that actually strengthen your hair, that helps with that hair growth, that really is fabulous for healthy scalp. But this one, the Maleic Bond Complex, when they sent me this, you guys, about, I would say, a month and a half ago, I wanted to properly put it to a test. Now, I have used this around, I would say this is my 5th try with this product, and it is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now, I know you might be thinking, you're working with Minimalist, this is something that you have to say no. If only I am really sure that the product works for me, that's when I start collaborating with the certain brand. It is extremely affordable. It does what it says. The ingredients out here are just phenomenal. Today, when I applied the Maleic Hair Bond, I'll show you in a bit what my hair looks like. I'm back after a vacation. I went to Goa. I was at this resort, and I was half the time in the poolside, you guys. That chlorine water really destroyed my hair. Now, my hair anyway is it's very dry. It's kind of like, because of the color, I've always colored my hair, and I guess that has really dried out my hair. So I need treatments when it comes to hair strength. So as a part of my pre-shampoo routine, you guys, I've been loving using this Minimalist Maleic Bond Repair Complex 0.5% hair serum. It's a treatment serum. It's a miracle worker. It's done wonders for my stresses. It just helps with bond repair. It strengthens my damaged hair, and it's got a one-of-a-kind formulation, and that's the best part about it. It is enriched with maleic acid. It's got trans-glutaminase. It's also got amino acids, which just works beautifully on hair. And these 3 ingredients work in synergy, you guys, and it just helps to deeply repair weak and damaged hair bonds. This patent-pending formula is also enriched with argan oil, squalane. You know how much I love squalane, even in my skincare, even in hair care. It's a wonderful ingredient. It's also got coconut oil. It's got vitamin E. It's got beta carotene, and it's also got carrot root extract. A pre-shampoo treatment is very important. I just feel that besides a hair oil, and a hair oil can actually sometimes, just weigh the hair down. I know my mom cannot put oil on her hair because she's got an oily scalp. So she needs certain things that is going to strengthen the hair strands, and treatments like this comes to the rescue. But many a times when you do a shampoo and conditioner treatment, you will still see your hair very lackluster. Now, because of the weather out here in Kochi, it's also very frizzy. So to tame the frizz and to make it a lot more manageable, guys, this really came into the rescue. If you've got dry hair, you've got brittle hair, you've got frizzy hair, whatever your hair type is, this is the treatment for you. It's so easy to apply. It's so easy to manage. It's very low maintenance. It's extremely affordable. You just apply this on your strands for about an hour or so. Then you go wash it off with your normal shampoo and conditioner. And what you tend to get over time, over the time that you use this product, you tend to see that your hair is a lot more manageable, softer. It just automatically goes tangle free, and at the same time there is a certain shine to the hair. They have done a phenomenal job out here. So I'm going to be showing you right now how to use this correctly. You're going to take your brush and you're going to comb your hair very gently. Take out whatever knots that you have. Your hair needs to be really neatly, properly combed, so that application will be a lot more easier. I always find that going against the brush bristle really pulls your hair, and if you go with the brush bristles, like for example, if you keep it straight like this and then you brush your hair, it becomes a lot more easier. Now that the hair is neatly brushed, you're going to segregate that into two sections, and I just want to show you my hair strands at the moment. You can definitely sense and see it on screen how dry it is, and the chlorine water has really hit it badly. I'm going to take about 10 drops. You can apply a little extra, and having that dropper makes it easier for you to target certain sections of your hair. The same thing to this side of the hair. Take a few more drops and be generous and coat each and every strands with this. Do not touch your scalp. It's only to the root to the tip of your strands. This is a hair repair serum only for the strands of your hair, to give it a little more structure, shine, as well as repair. So if you've got dry, damaged, frizzy hair, this is just fantastic. You're going to tie your hair properly, tightly into a bun, and let that marinate for about 1 hour. Give it about 1 hour of rest, and then you can use any shampoo of your choice. Their shampoo and conditioner is also very hydrating, but choose your favorite shampoo and conditioner. I mean, for 499 rupees, you're getting 50 ml of it, so it just doesn't pinch the pocket as much. I mean, in comparison to many other very expensive formulations out there that promises to do, to repair your hair strands and, to make it a lot more manageable and healthier, this is an affordable option. All right, so this is after hair wash. I haven't done anything to it. It's very wavy, and it's a little, it's gone all out. But this is how my hair looks right after I use only a shampoo and a conditioner. I really condition well even if I'm using this, irrespective of any hair serum that promises to restore moisture to your hair bonds. I still apply a conditioner. That's just a force of habit for me, which is something that many should follow. Even if you've got oily hair, find the right products for you that will just retain that moisture and give it a shine and make it a little more manageable. But saying that, the hair serum itself, I just brushed my hair, and I just want to show you how the ends look right now. It's a little more manageable. There's a little bit of hydration to the hair. Hair feels nice and soft, and as soon as I straighten my hair or I style my hair, you will see that it looks a lot more better. It looks like one of those, well-kept salon type hair. As soon as you apply the serum, you feel as if, it just, for some hair, I'm not saying for all, this is just my opinion, you might feel like your hands feel a little rough or dry, but don't worry about it. It's just working its magic for your strands. For me, it's a Sunday ritual, you guys. Like, I have kind of like styled my hair. I've used the hair dryer brush. I haven't used a hair straightener because it becomes so manageable right after you wash your hair. It's very easy once it's air dried for you to manage it with any sort of hair tools that you're using, whether it's a hair dryer, a hair straightener, and for me, like a hair dryer brush. So it just leaves my hair feeling really soft, and I mean, this is post a very bad holiday damaged hair. I was in the poolside, the chlorine water, sun damage, whatever it is, and on top of that, I had colored my hair before leaving, so it's everything put together. I just felt that the 5 times that I have used it, I have noticed a significant difference. What a deadly combination these two are. This has got active ingredients that promotes hair growth. So if you can pick this one up, I would say these two in combination is a match made in heaven, you guys. This is something that you apply only on your scalp, nicely massage it, and it's a treatment that you leave overnight if you want to reap the complete benefits of this. Now, this one, the Maleic Bond Hair Serum, is something that you apply maybe once or twice a week is more than enough. I apply this once a week. I just apply this on a Sunday. It's my Sunday ritual. I just apply that all over my strands. You have to leave the scalp alone when you apply this. You do not need to massage this on your scalp, you guys. It's got a very pleasant smell to it. It doesn't smell like a chemical smell that many of the, treatment serums have. This is quite gentle. It's got a nice lightweight oily texture to it, but the ingredients out here is what works to make your hair very strong, because by the third and fourth I noticed that it was leaving my hair even better and softer. I have nothing more to add to this, but please get this. If you trust my opinion, then just get your hands on this, you guys. Again, like I'm mentioning, it is only for 499 rupees, and you're getting something that promises you to give you the best of the best ingredients for your hair strands. This does it. Do let me know what other reviews you'd like me to do, and I shall do it for you. And until later, bye for now.